Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Atomic Ti6 knife. So this is a proper sized titanium knife. Atomic, they always make very high-end equipment. Because it's made out of titanium instead of steel, it means that it's much stronger, it's much lighter. It also means that it cannot rust because titanium can't rust. As you can see, it comes in a plastic sheath which holds it in its position. That's not going to go anywhere unless you undo the release. You get a pair of leg straps as well. The leg straps are quite nice. They've got a little ratchet sort of system on them, but you can just lift it up and that undoes it, so you can really sort of undo it and then do it back up again. Taking the knife out, very quick and easy. It also kind of ensures that you have a decent grip of the knife. You've got to push down on these two little sections here, push them down, grab hold of the knife and pull it out, and then that can come free. So it comes in two different versions. This is the blunted tip, also comes in a pointed tip if you want a point on it. As I said earlier, made out of titanium, and the titanium runs all the way through to the handle. You can disassemble this knife, which I'll show you in a second, but the titanium, as I said earlier, it's light, it's strong, it's very good at holding an edge for a long period. You've got a little cutting hook down at the bottom. You've got a long straight cutting edge for smaller items, and then this section here is just blunt, but then you do have a very teethy serrated section on the top, so that's great for thicker lines, for rope, for cutting through that. Decent ergonomic handle on this. You can see we have each of the sort of finger holes, and this section here is going to stop your hand from slipping onto the blades. And it's decent chunky as well, so you can still wear it with thicker gloves. A little lanyard loop down at the bottom of the handle as well, so you can tie it off so you're not going to lose it. And then this section here, the pommel, this is again made out of titanium. You can see we've got a little Allen key section on that, but you can unscrew that. And if you keep unscrewing it, eventually that will come free. This screws onto the other ends of the blade. The handle will come free, and then this section comes free. So that's a single piece of titanium. That cannot rust. It's nice and lightweight, but it's still very strong. So it's great for traveling divers. If you're in and out of salt water, you don't have to worry too much about sort of washing it out. You can give it a thorough clean when you get back home. Putting it back together, just as quick and easy. It all slots together and then that screws back on. So all in all, a fantastic knife. As I said earlier, it comes in both a blunt tip, which is this one, and a pointed tip version. Because it's titanium, fantastic. You never have to worry about rust. This is the Atomic Ti6 knife. Thanks for watching and safe diving.